Hello friends, today we will listen another story. The story's name is The Assembly of Animals. So let's start the story. One day the animals of a forest had a party. Together the animals danced and gossiped. Soon they started boasting of their qualities. Firstly, the lion stood up. I am the bravest animal in the forest. My bravery has made me your king, he said proudly. Then a fox said, but I am the most cunning animal of all. My tricks help me survive in difficult situations and to find my food. Then a peacock spread his feathers and said, have you ever seen more beautiful feathers than mine? Next, the elephant trumpeted loudly. I am the strongest with my strong tucks. I can lift anything and I can even defeat a lion, he said proudly. When all animals were done praising themselves, a small tot said, what wonderful qualities! But are you not forgetting something? Everyone was confused. A lion's bravery and a fox's cunningness do not save them from hunters, said a frog. Similarly, peacock's feather lead to his ruin, and the elephant is hunted for his tucks. So stop boasting of your qualities. All the animals were left speechless. So friends, today's story has finished. If you like the story, please like and share with your friends.